folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Well, hello there, folks. Today we're looking at a glass repair kit, and that's right. I wanted to show this kit off. It's kind of nice to build. I've thought I may add more to this. I may look into it. But if you're trying to do basic repairs where you don't have a lot of money, I always think that everybody should have repair kits. And you'll see a few on this channel where I have tools and stuff for you. I think everybody should have like a at least a basic tool repair kit to do repairs in their homes, maybe even a basic electric drill and stuff. And this is part of that. This is, try to repair, if you can, repair things you want. I have 2 videos on this, in this same playlist that repair batteries, for instance. So, here you go. We're opening up this kit. It's in this box. I bought this at Walmart. It's sort of waterproof. I don't think you can't soak it, but you can run water over it, or water can go over it and it won't get inside in the contents. So this is really nice. I did this separately. You can see I put glasses repair kit. My woman wears glasses, so it's kind of nice to have this kit. Alright, and you can see as I open it up, this is glasses, microcloth glasses cleaning. This is if we need to repair stuff. She has some of this already. I think one is in the bedroom, one's in her purse. So, but it's kind of cool to have this. Alright, then we have the screwdriver set. It came with the glass repair kit. We bought it on Amazon. So if you really want to know, you look on Amazon, you can get, there'll be different kits, obviously. And in here, there are at least 2 different kits. There's this one. This one has a little more screwdrivers that they decided to put with it, so that would work with glasses. And so you have your different Phillips and your I would call it your flatheads and your Anyway, I'm not always good with names of stuff, so I'm sorry. I know what they do and I use them, but I'm not good with names. I've never been good with names. So, and then here you have your little screws and your little, I keep it well. And you have your little screws and your other stuff to fix your glasses. That's what's cool about this. Is the screws, and especially for the nose guards or whatever you need to fix in your glasses. I haven't had to repair any yet, so that's a good thing. And this kit does the same thing. You can see it's in the box. It shows a glass repair guy. All right. So here, let's open this up. And I'm always into kits. Especially lately with the economy, this as far as I know, this is a fabric for either setting your glasses on, or you can actually, I think this is for cleaning them too, as well. And then you have little screws again in here. In this one, you have nose guards. We'll see the bigger nose guard things on the bottom here. You have tweezers. You have a couple of screwdrivers, a couple or 3 screwdrivers I have in here. And stuff like that. I don't know if this all comes with this kit, because I think I may have added a couple or something. But you can get kits like this. Even a basic kit like this, you gotta look at your kits. But your basic kit like this, which I found originally on Amazon, will get you started. I built a bigger kit because I felt like I needed more. Now we get to the good stuff, which just is tight down in here, but it's fine. I may not open these up. They're small, but they're nose guards. Here, maybe I should open them up. I'll be careful. But there's your nose guards for different, I guess, glasses styles of nose guard, things like that. My woman feels glad about it because this will help with getting it fixed, and it just all kind of nestles in here in a weird way. So, and then we just go ahead, put it back, and there you go. There's your, I could actually probably do that if I wanted to, but I'm going to put it on top for now. In the future, I may, if I add more, I may move this like that. Okay. Anyway, there you go. This is a nice little container to keep it. At least we'll give some basic repair. If you're like, I just get my glasses fixed, that's fine. This is also part of our emergency. It's repair emergency. So like if we can't, but she needs it now, then we could. I mean, so it's just really nice to have your own kit, even if you have the ability to go and do it. I think during this economy and stuff like that, it's nice to be able, if you can fix it and do it, then you're better prepared than most, or better prepared than some. Anyway, that can, just either refuse to do it or not. So having this type of thing is a smart idea. But anyway, there you go. There's the kit. I just close the lid now. And what's nice about this, instead of having pieces all over and like wondering, since I bought the kit as it is, I just keep it. If I need some extra tools, I probably could grab in a few extra tools I have. But for the most part, it should fix, what's in here should fix my woman's glasses for the most part. So I'm really glad for this. I probably could build onto this a little bit, but I'm really glad for what I was able to get. So I guess that's all. I'll leave with closing thoughts, and we'll see until then. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.